I certainly don't have the knowledge of every sector in Bosnia or in Germany, so I do really have to gain knowledge every single day. The research is mostly talking to smart people. We are hardworking people, people who can learn and who can adapt, but I think our society or our government or system is not there yet to invest as much as Western countries do, as much as, for example, Germany does. The pandemic showed us how important e-learning is, and we cannot miss it anymore.
Welcome, and thank you so much for being here with us. We're incredibly excited to learn from someone with such a broad range of experience. Before we explore the topics at hand, could you please delight us by introducing yourself and briefly describing the work that fills your days?
Yes, hi Ellie, thank you for inviting me. It's a pleasure and an honor. I am the deputy of the delegation of German industry and commerce here in Bosnia and Hercegovina. And my main topic is, or the topic of me and my team is, to connect two markets, German market and Bosnian market, to help companies enter the market in Bosnia but also in Germany. And then again, if they're already there, to help them find business partners, to help them find suppliers, contacts, to represent their interests here in Bosnia as well. And just to provide a wide network for them to settle in as a foreign company. This is mostly the most important part for them.
It doesn't sound easy at all. Do you think it's easy to do the work you do every day?
Well, I think there are harder jobs to do. Certainly it's not easy, but it's fun, and I think with the right people, with the right team and the right partners, it's not that difficult.
Despite the complexities of your work, it seems you've mastered the art of organization. Could you walk us through a typical day? We're keen to hear about your daily routine that helps you stay on top of your diverse activities.
Well, I already mentioned my team. I think the only routine I have is to drink a coffee every morning with my team. So the routine would be that we gather in the office and really just talk about the day and the activities that will come up that day and what happened the day before. So we try to catch up every morning while we have a coffee together. So I think that's my routine for every day.
Blending expertise from two significant industries is no small feat. Reflecting on your journey, what would you say are the pivotal learnings that have positioned you to excel in your role?
I think the most important thing for me was getting to know a lot of people. So having a personal, wide network of contacts and partners and people I work with, and to have good relationships with those people. And then again, they help me build other activities and go through with the other activities. I'd say that my learning experience in my everyday life would be, since my job is so different every day because every company comes from a different angle with different interests. I certainly don't have the knowledge of every sector in Bosnia or in Germany, so I do really have to gain knowledge every single day. So maybe today a company from the wood sector contacts me, so I have to research about this sector and this specific question. Maybe tomorrow it's a company from the automotive sector. The next day it's a question about a certain law in Germany. So it's not possible for me or for my team to have everything ready as information. So we do have to research, and I think my everyday learning routine is really to be open to gain new information every day and to research this information.
You've highlighted two critical components: the value of your network and the commitment to continuous learning. How do these elements interplay in your professional growth, and what strategies do you employ to broaden your network and foster new connections?
I think it just happens naturally when you work in such an environment that you get to know new people every day or almost every day. And then it's up to you, how do you build those relationships, and how long lasting are those relationships, and what can both sides gain from this partnership and from this business relationship. Sure, they are connected, because I already mentioned I research when I lack of knowledge in something, and the research is mostly talking to smart people. So I do have to ask those my network for help, and maybe that's also a way to even widen the network, just to include really everyone in my work, and to really profit from the knowledge that other people already have. And then again, of course, I research by myself in the, let's say, the internet, or at some magazines, or I talk to my colleagues. But I think for me, the most valuable resource of knowledge are the people I work with and the network I have.
Earlier, you shared insights about the diverse sources that contribute to your knowledge expansion and research efforts. Shifting focus towards digital learning, could you share your experiences with us? Additionally, what impact do you believe technology has on learning overall?
I think that the pandemic showed us how important e-learning is, and we cannot miss it anymore. I think we were relying on it for a few years, and now we really do benefit from all the systems that were developed, and all the how do I say, all the ways that are now normal to meet up through Teams, through Zoom. So that was an exception a few years ago, and now it's totally acceptable to not meet up in person and to do it online. So e-learning became really even a bigger part of our everyday professional life. And in our chamber we had already a format for learning before the pandemic, and after it we actually implemented it even more online. It's called Meet the Expert. Companies who have a certain expertise in a topic, they provide other companies with this knowledge, and so we have peer-to-peer learning. We really try to share this knowledge that we have amongst ourselves in the network. So that's, for example, a format that we did quite often online. We do a lot of webinars during the year, so e-learning is immensely important for us as a chamber.
It's fascinating to hear about the influence you wield in the realm of education. Drawing from your rich experience within both Bosnian and German cultures, could you share your observations on the similarities and differences in their learning cultures? Furthermore, what insights can you offer about our current societal approach to learning? And do you have any recommendations for enhancing its effectiveness?
If I have to compare it, I'd say our learning culture has always been that Bosnians are known to be hardworking people, and I mean, we can see it in the way that when we move from our country, when we immigrate to another country, we're mostly successful. Is it in the universities or maybe in the professional surroundings? Most Bosnian people are known to be good workers outside our country as well. So that means that in different settings we can apply the learning that we gained here in Bosnia. So it is useful, it seems like. What I have to say is, to compare it with the German culture of learning, is I think that Germany, as most Western countries, just recognized more than our country did that learning and the learning culture in a society depends on the amount of investment that the country is ready to do. So I think that's the part that we are lacking. We are hardworking people who can learn and who can adapt, but I think our society or our government or system is not there yet to invest as much as Western countries do, as much as, for example, Germany does. So the result or the educational system is different because I think that the framework is different, the resources are different that the students get in Bosnia and for example, in Germany. So I think we just have to invest much more as a country, as a society in education.
In an era increasingly shaped by digital content and AI, it's crucial to guide the younger generation. From your perspective as an expert, what advice would you give to young adults and children, the digital natives, on how to approach learning to be prepared for the jobs of the future?
I think AI is an opportunity for us as a society, for the whole business environment, of course, and for the whole education system. I think the young generations are already on a good path. When you talk to teachers, it's mostly that the children are already more knowledgeable about IT and different ways to work with AI than the teachers are. I think it's just that my suggestion would again be to demand better framework and better resources and better conditions in schools, to have the infrastructure they need to use AI, to have Wi-Fi, good Wi-Fi connection in every school, to have computers, to have the possibility to fully use the resources that are or the possibilities that are given with AI.
Can you estimate or describe the key skills that will be crucial for future generations?
To adapt to changes. I think that would be mostly important, to just be flexible, to be agile, and to really adapt to new environments. Maybe it's a IT environment, maybe it's a digital environment, it's a artificial intelligence environment, but maybe it's also your social environment that changes. So to teach our kids and to be agile, to be flexible, and to learn how to adapt to other conditions and environments, I think would be crucial in the future, just as it is now.
Considering our rich local and Balkan history, do you believe that the mentality prevalent in Bosnia and surrounding regions is adaptable to future challenges and circumstances?
I would say so. I would say so. Just looking at the economy during the pandemic, our private sector was proven to be quite agile. The companies didn't close and they didn't lay off many people at once, so there was no catastrophic situation in the country during the pandemic. Maybe in different countries it was worse. So I think, and also as a society, given the health system that we have, we proved that we really can adapt. So just using the pandemic as an example, but I think, and also what I mentioned earlier, when we move to other countries, how well we adapt to other systems is just a proof that we are capable of doing so. We just need maybe more support from our own society and more support from our own government to thrive even better in our own country as we do in other countries.
Reflecting on our conversation and your successful adaptation to interacting with me, what final insights can you share with our viewers? Before we wrap up, is there a final message or piece of wisdom you'd like to leave with our audience? Something to guide us through the rest of the series?
Well, I just want to thank you, Ellie, for this opportunity and this initiative, really, because I think it's a great way to hear different perspectives. And I love the fact that you interview different people from different backgrounds, and I think it's quite interesting. I would hope for you to continue with formats like this.